I've been doing a little bit of reflecting on my channel, and I'm like, okay, my videos, almost all of them are like almost 20 minutes long. Who has the time? To be honest, I don't even have the time to like rewatch my videos like while I'm editing. I'm like, this is so fucking long, and I could imagine as a viewer, you're just kind of like, let's get to the fucking point. So I hope this video is a short one, because if not, then I'm just contradicting everything I'm saying right now. But anyways, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, how's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my favorite go-to hairstyles for short and layered hair, because I know that there's a lot of these videos floating around on YouTube, like cute hairstyles for short hair, blah, blah, blah. But a lot of them don't work when you have layers like I do. So I thought I'd make this video for honestly whoever wants to watch me. So I made my own little mix of coconut oil and olive oil and a little bit of water. Someone actually was like, you always talk about your hair being so damaged, but it looks so good. Like, why does it? Girl. The camera really does a lot for me, but also this stuff really does make my hair look healthy, even if it's not. Especially if you have layered hair, this really just helps all your hair kind of stay put together. So I'll just spray a little bit of that and then just brush it out. Alright, so I start with a middle part and I grab a small section of hair and twist that very tightly so that the bangs don't fly out, and you just overlap it behind the hairs that are behind it. That's like the best way I can describe it. It's almost like a French braid, except you're only using 2 pieces of hair, so you just keep pulling as you go down. And I always try to make this as tight as possible, because if not, then the bangs start to pop out. I can't braid for shit, so so there you have it. It's just that simple, and I'll just like take out my baby hairs and just kind of like make them look presentable. But yeah, that's it. And here's me showing off my little French twists. Okay, so this is probably the most basic hairstyle ever, but I couldn't not include it. Get that pun? Okay, I'm not funny. I wear my hair like this almost every single day, so I had to throw this in the video. Excel on the track. Okay, so this is like your typical low ponytail with a little pizzazz. So you're just gonna start by putting your hair into a low pony, sliding it down just a little bit, enough to create a little hole that you can tuck the ponytail into. Okay, and then watch me struggle to make my bangs look presentable. It's all fun and games until your bangs just don't want to fucking cooperate, but whatever. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys my go-to hairstyles, one using a straightener and one using a curler. I normally will only do this if I'm like trying to look nice, like if it's an event or something, but for the most part I won't put heat on my hair because it is so incredibly damaged. But let me just show you guys what we're working with. Sometimes I'll wear my hair like this, but that's like just if I'm like really in the mood for it. I get a lot of acne if like my hair is in my face, so sometimes I just like to brush it back. So for my first hairstyle, I'm going to show you guys what I do using a curling iron, I guess. So you're always just going to want to make sure you have some heat protectant on it. I use this Pantene heat primer. I don't even know if it works that good, but I've just had it for like a very long time and haven't bought a new one, so okay, I will just grab mostly the pieces, if you can see like that kind of end shorter than these long ones. Can this go any further? Okay, cool. So I'll just grab like this top piece, swirl it around, hold it for some time, just kind of like In all honesty, this takes me like 30 seconds to do. I don't really strive for perfection with it at all. I just grab whatever pieces I can and give them a little bit of a wave. Okay, so yeah, I just like curl like a few of the pieces like around my head just to give my hair like a little bit of volume and like texture, I guess. Okay, so my next hairstyle is using a straightener. For this look, I like to have a side part. I just think it like looks nice. The reason why my hair looks like so good going back is because of this like coconut olive oil concoction. So I'll just like do a little spray again. I use a straightener and this is on the lowest heat. I just get the bottoms of my hair and I flip them, give them a little curl up, and it's kind of, I should have done the straightening one before I did the curling because it's kind of hard to now like straighten over already curled hair, but I'll just flip up the ends like so. And this kind of just gives me like a very flirty little like kick to my hair. Okay, so imagine this look without these curled pieces that don't want to cooperate with me right now, but this hairstyle I only really do if my hair is dirty because it will just like go back really nicely, or if I'm like going somewhere where I want to look cleaned up and the mullet doesn't fit the vibe. So like, all right, well, oh. Ugh. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not already subscribed to me and you want to, just go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else from me. Also, if you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, I put it in the link in the description down below so you guys can follow me if you want to. Yeah, so thanks so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.